Hi, this is Kylie Koo. Welcome to my studio. A few weeks ago, I was working on masterboards and backgrounds for the Mixed Media Emporium Facebook group. This particular background was done with watercolour paints, and I was doing it more really just as a demonstration. But when I finished it, I realised that I had done a sketch recently that I thought would look really good on this page, and that's what I've decided to show you this time. So I took my sketch and I redrew it onto this background page, and I had just sketched it in very lightly to begin with. Now I'm just going over it a little bit harder with my sketching pencil. What I'll then do is to take a coloured pencil and go over it again so that I can retain the outline. Now, my idea here was to use some watercolours to then colour it in. I hadn't actually done this on watercolour paper, so the watercolour paints at times don't sit quite as well on this as I would have liked, and you will see that I end up doing a lot with colour pencil. The other thing I wanted to do was to retain some of that background in places so that she would, in a sense, be kind of semi-transparent. So there's not much more to actually say about this. As I say, it was mainly watercolours and colour pencils that I used. So I'm going to put much of this to music, but I just thought that you'd like to see how some of these backgrounds can be used. So I'll join you back on the other side. So doing the finishing details on this now, using the white pencil really to help blend some of the other colour pencils together. For her hair, I wanted to very much kind of keep those colours that were in the background, so the kind of pinks of the flowers in particular. And I do add in, I think it's little bits of green just here and there. So I hope this shows you just some of the things that you can do with some of the backgrounds. You know, obviously they could be cut up into other projects or could be used in their entirety in a piece like this. Now I will of course put a link to the video that I made this particular background in, but there is actually a bigger playlist with masterboards, backgrounds and projects from that is there that you can dip in and out of at any time. I'll also leave a link down below to the Mixed Media Emporium Facebook group, and you're very welcome to join Nina and myself there. There's a few questions that you need to answer to gain entry. If you don't answer them, then I'm afraid that your request is automatically declined. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've pulled this together. I've tried to keep it quite straightforward, but it just, you know, maybe gives you some ideas for what you can do with your backgrounds. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please take care, and I hope you'll join me again next time. Bye for now.